Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Toyota flip key, mostly used for models made after 2018, Corolla, Camry, and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032, like most Toyota models, key fobs. You can click on the link below to get it online. So, first we have to open the key, and then, as you can see, if you flip it over, there is a small slot right here, okay? So I take a small screwdriver, flathead, I just insert it in between and I pull up, okay? Gently, and it opens. Once again, right here, this slot right here, take the flathead and I pull up very gently. Now we have to take the cover, put it in as well, and here we go. As you can see, CR2032. There is a small slot right here, and with the screwdriver I put it underneath and comes out. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Now to put it back in, first I put the bottom part, okay, that goes with the key. As you can see, there is a V here, a V shape I call it. So first I will put the battery that side, I press, and just like that, and I press. Very easy. Once again, bottom side first, I press, and that's it. Now I put the cover back, make sure it's well, it's all good. Put the cover, and that's it. We're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Very easy. Please like this video and let us know what you're seeing. Thank you.